PureCycle Technologies has announced a $300 million capital raise through binding agreements with both new and existing investors, including Duquesne Family Office, Samlin Capital, and Silibra Capital. This funding will support the company's long-term growth strategy, which includes scaling its polypropylene recycling capacity to £1 billion by 2030, with a projected EBITDA target of $600 million. The capital raise coincides with PureCycle's expansion into Southeast Asia through a strategic partnership with IRPC Public Company Limited. Together, they plan to build a £130 million recycling facility at IRPC's industrial zone in Rayong, Thailand, with construction scheduled to begin in the second half of 2025 and operations expected by mid-2027. This partnership enables PureCycle to leverage existing infrastructure and reduce construction costs. In addition to its expansion in Southeast Asia, PureCycle is also pursuing parallel expansion efforts in Europe and the United States. The company plans to enhance its facilities in Antwerp, Belgium, and develop a large-scale Gen 2 plant in Augusta, Georgia, with a capacity of over £300 million. Engineering work for the Augusta site is ongoing, with permitting and construction milestones scheduled for 2026 and an operational ramp-up expected by 2029. PureCycle's confidence in its commercial traction and operational learnings from its Ironton facility appears to be driving its aggressive expansion projects. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.